Hello.
Good morning. Is Vanda there?
This is Vanda.
Vanda, this is Mancy. What are you doing?
Mancy, I'm steeping. What time is it?
It's 8 a.m. It's time to rise and shine.
It's 8 a.m. Huh. Oh no. I'll be late for work.
No. Today's Saturday. You don't have to work today.
Oh. Saturday. That's right. No work today. How it's good.
Hey. Are you free today?
Oh. Today is Saturday. Yeah, I'm free.
Would you like to do something together today?
That sounds good. What do you want to do?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
Well, I don't know, either. Why don't you come to my house? And we'll think of something.
Okay, I'll be there in about an hour.
Okay, see you later.
See Vanda.
Thank you for watching channel, Dan Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like and share.